Okay, so for today's reading lesson, what we're going to do is we're going to work on rereading and some of the skills that we will use as we reread. A lot of times when we read an expository or informational text, there's a lot of things that sometimes we just don't know what they mean or we don't know what they're talking about. So that's where it's important to reread it because a lot of times when you do reread it, it makes sense to you. So what I want you to do is I would like you to reread this story. I want you to push pause right now, and when you are done reading the story, push play again, and we will discuss. Okay, now that you have reread that, I want you to go back to page 3, and in the text, in paragraph 1, so this one right here, I want you to underline some words that tell how some natural changes are different from other natural changes. That some of these changes take place slowly over many years, and some happen in just minutes. I might not have caught that on my first one. The next thing you'll notice over here, it says reread paragraphs 2 through 5. Now you've already reread it, so we're not going to reread it for a third time right now. But we're going to talk about the 3 natural processes that slowly change the Earth's surface. And 3 of those things that happen, I notice, are weathering, erosion, and deep deposition. That changes the Earth's surface, but does it very slowly. Sorry. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to draw some words around the text that explains how the Grand Canyon is formed. I'm going to let you guys find that, and I'm going to scroll to page 4. Okay, now that you have reread all of this in your reading writing companion, I want you to come over here to pages 4 and 5, and I want you to fill out the compare and contrast. I want you to reread this section and follow the directions, as well as these 2 things.